Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Business Manager as an admin. Open Ads Manager, then go to Events Manager and select Data Sources to see pixels. You need to identify the exact pixel by name or numeric ID. This prevents removing the wrong one. Once located, check which ad accounts and ad sets reference that pixel. Make sure no active campaigns depend on it. If you see dependencies, pause campaigns first. Otherwise, you can proceed to the settings where removal options live. You now open the pixel card and click the Settings tab. Here you see connected assets, ad accounts, partner integrations, and API connections, so remove these links first. Click each ad account and choose Remove or Unassign. For partners, use Remove Access. Once integrations like Shopify or Tag Manager are disconnected, the pixel is no longer actively used. Take screenshots of your changes for records, and then return to the Events Manager main view to prepare for final removal or disabling. You can now remove the pixel. In Settings, choose Remove or Disable Tracking if deletion isn't offered. Confirm prompts and note that some changes take minutes to propagate. After removal, check your ad accounts and conversion settings to ensure nothing still references the pixel. Use Facebook Pixel Helper or test events to verify no data is sent. If tracking persists, clear browser caches, recheck partner integrations, and inspect any server-side API keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.